Hey everybody, welcome back to an episode on Mighty Mall Shop Creation Shorts. Today, we're going to be doing a quick how-to on sanding down model car tires. Without further ado, let's roll the intro. In the last video, I mentioned that you can save money by buying built-up kits and used kits from like a long time ago. And this is where my dad got this kit from. So he's building a Buddy Baker NASCAR kit. We bought these rims off of Plastic Performance Products because the kit was actually missing the rims. So we had to improvise. And we also bought the tires from the same guy. And they're all resin cast, I'm pretty sure. So I'll link his website in the description below. Alright, let's get on with the tip. So, Dad, what is this about?
Well, there's a tire. You just have to find a socket or something that fits, stick her in a drill, and have at her. Get some sandpaper. It's like doing a burnout. It's awesome. Except less smoke. But it works out pretty good.
Yeah. So just to give you guys a little bit of perspective, on the left is after it's sanded, and on the right it's before it's sanded. And you can really see the difference. You can see it was super shiny before, and now it's sanded down, look like it's been driven on by a car. That's all for this video. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the post notifications so you don't miss an upload from me. And thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.